Most option traders lose money because they enter too early. Today I'm going to show you the exact strategy I used to make $172 in less than 5 minutes and how you can apply it the right way. And for this strategy, there is nothing like guessing or gambling, it's just pure structure. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive straight into the video.
Alright guys, so the first thing you do when you come to the chart is to add your moving average. Your moving average is going to help you to understand the direction and also know when to react and how to react to the market. Okay, so the pair we are looking at currently is GBP USD, and always make sure that whatever you are trading is under blitz. For instance, if I'm trying to look up GBP USD, you see that we have GBP USD under blitz and we have GBP USD under binary. The one you are going to be selecting is GBP USD under blitz. So moving forward, the next thing we are going to be doing is to add our moving average. So what you do is you come to your indicators and click on moving average. Now the first moving average you're going to be adding is period 14, and make sure the type is on SMA and not WMA or EMA. Make sure it's SMA. Okay, now select any color of your choice, but just know that the period 14 moving average is a fast moving average. That will be acting as our fast moving average. So you apply it to the chart. So once you apply it, this is what we have here. Then the next is to select the same moving average, go to the same moving average. Now this time around we are adding period of 100 and also make sure it's SMA. Okay, so if after setting this at SMA we choose a color white, so this is color white, and then we apply to our chart. So when we apply that to our chart, you will see this is what we're having on our chart currently. Okay, and you like to pay attention to this. Now, how does this moving average work? We use this moving average to determine direction and entry models. Alright, it will help us to determine direction and entry models. So whenever the red is above the white moving average, we are looking for buying opportunities. Whenever the red is above the white, we are looking for buying opportunities. Same goes to whenever the white is above the red, something like this. Whenever the red is below the white, we are looking for selling opportunities. So in this kind of market, we are looking for selling opportunities because the red is below the white. Alright, we are looking for selling opportunities. And in this kind of market, we are looking for buying opportunities because the red is above the white. So having achieved this is what we are going to be using to trade. Now that's the first one. Now the second thing to look out for is price action. Definitely we know that as a trader it's very important that you understand the price of the market, what the market is doing, how the market is moving, and what to expect. So currently now we have the market reacting around our red region. So this is about to give a bullish engulfing pattern. So I'm going to set my risk to 100 and my time expiration to 2 minutes. But I'm not going to be entering this trade because this did not engulf. So assuming we had a bullish engulfing somewhere here, I'm going to be entering because I will be very certain that this market is about to shoot up to take out this high. Alright, so this kind of market I'll just sit it out. So in trading, patience is also very important. It's also very important that you understand the kind of markets to stay clear from, the kind of markets to go high, the kind of markets to risk low. So on this pair currently, I don't think we have any reason to trade currently on this particular pair. One is because our red is very far apart from our white. Okay, our red is very far apart from our white, so probably we might be expecting a pullback towards this zone. So when that pullback happens and the red is probably somewhere around this area and the white is somewhere here, something not too far, something decent like this, then we'll start looking for that buying opportunities. So having understood that, we are going to look at a different pair to see if there is an opportunity. So currently, from what we explained earlier, you will notice that the red is below the white. So in this kind of market, we are looking for selling opportunities. Okay, but this red is so far apart from this white. So definitely this market, we have more chances of winning it as a seller than a buyer. We have more chances of winning a selling trade in this kind of market than buying in this kind of market. But because of this distance that we have currently, we might see a retracement any moment from now. A retracement might happen. So our confidence level in this trade is probably around 60 to 70%. So we'll look at another different pair. Now this is another different scenario where we have a ranging market, and we know one rule about ranging markets. Whenever we have a ranging market, either we stay off entirely or we risk lesser. Okay, so since this red is currently above our white area, we are going to be looking for probably buys. We are going to be looking at buys, but the buy, what will facilitate our entry will be if we get a bullish engulfing pattern. So our analysis for this trade currently is that this market might probably close as a red and the next candle we engulf. But if that does not happen, then we will leave it and focus on something else. So in trading, it's also about rinse and repeat. It's about you understanding your strategy, focusing on that particular strategy and waiting for when it plays out. Now, just like we've been explaining earlier, if you noticed, you see that this market was bullish all along, and there is a kind of consistency, bulls then bears, and this market kept ranging around this area till this red was perfectly aligned. Then we had a bullish engulfing pattern, and our risk is for 2 minutes. So if each candle is 1 minute candle and we are entering for 2 minutes at the opening of this candle, definitely we would have won this trade at the closing of this other candle. But we are still looking for a particular trade in this market. Currently, if you look at price action, you see that we're in an uptrend, and currently we have our red above our white. So we are looking for buying opportunities in this market. So we're going to set our expiration time to 2 minutes and our risk 200. So just wait at the closing of this candle. If this engulfs, we are going to enter for a buy. So this makes sense because of our moving average, alright? Because of the moving average, we have the red playing above the white. So in this kind of market, we have more chances of winning this trade as buyers than sellers. Okay, so this is it for this trade. And if it went wrong somewhere here, we could have probably martingaled. Martingaling means increasing our risk by 2. We are going to be increasing the 100 by 200, and we're going to be entering at the closing of the previous trade. Alright, so once we enter, the market will continue playing out, and once that comes, let's assume we actually lost the previous $100 on this trade and we are trying to deal with $200. That means when this trade comes, we'll be making $174, meaning we've actually recovered our loss of 100 and we've made a profit of $74 on it. So let's still look for another different opportunity.
Now, if you've watched to this point of this video, I'd like to tell you something important. For traders who would not like to sit in front of their system all day trying to analyze from one chart to another, we've built an AI-powered bot that will help you to do this analysis. It's like a top-down analysis. It will help you to analyze from higher time frame to a lower time frame. This AI-powered bot helps you to detect trend alignments, pullbacks, and confirmation zones automatically.
So in this market currently, we have a ranging market, but it's ranging upwards. And if you notice, you'll see that the red is currently above the white. Alright, so if we get a good bullish engulfing pattern somewhere here, we're going to be looking at entering for a buy. So always remember to set your expiration to 2 minutes and also tailor your risk. So I'm entering at the exact opening of this next candle because we have our bullish engulfing pattern. This actually gave us a good momentum, and that's why the buy came, because the red is above the white. So that's it. So we'll keep observing.
Now, if you want to get access to the AI powered bot we use, here is what you will do. Click the link in the description below, join the Telegram community, create an account with our recommended broker link. Then send me a DM on Telegram and I will grant you access to the AI powered bot group where you have access to copy the trades from the bot. So what are you still waiting for? Subscribe right now, turn on the post notification, and don't miss the next breakdown, because every video here is going to help you sharpen your edge.